Before you scroll, stop for a moment. This is not just an English lesson. This is a story. A simple day, simple actions, but powerful meaning. If you feel tired, lost, or unmotivated, this video is for you. Listen carefully, relax your mind, and learn English without pressure. By the end of this video, you will not only understand English better, you will feel calmer, more focused, and more confident. Take a deep breath. Let's begin the day together.
Today, I want to tell you about my day. Let's start with the morning. I woke up at 7 a.m. The first thing I did was turn off my alarm. I felt a little tired, but also calm. I stayed in bed for 2 minutes. Then I got up slowly. I opened the window and I took a deep breath. The morning air felt fresh. Getting ready. After that, I went to the bathroom. I washed my face with cold water. It helped me wake up. Then I brushed my teeth and looked at myself in the mirror. I said, "Today will be a good day." Breakfast time. Next, I went to the kitchen. I prepared a simple breakfast. I made a cup of coffee. The smell was very nice. I also ate some bread and a banana. While I was eating, I checked my phone for a few minutes. No stress, just relaxing. Morning mindset. After breakfast, I sat down quietly. I thought about my plans for the day. I wanted to be productive, but also calm. I didn't rush. I took my time. Learning English, important part. Then I started studying English. I watched a short English video. I listened carefully. I repeated the sentences out loud. Sometimes I made mistakes, but that was okay. I reminded myself mistakes help me learn. Short break. After studying, I took a short break. I walked outside for 10 minutes. I looked at the sky and enjoyed the moment. The morning was peaceful. Closing. Soft motivation. That was my morning. Simple, calm, productive. You don't need a perfect morning. You need a consistent morning. Small actions every day can change your life.
Afternoon. What I did in the afternoon. After the morning, the afternoon slowly began. I felt more awake and more focused. Lunchtime. Around 1 p.m., I started to feel hungry. I went to the kitchen and prepared my lunch. It was a simple meal, but it was warm and delicious. I sat at the table, ate slowly, and enjoyed every bite. I did not use my phone. I just ate and relaxed. Small tasks at home. After lunch, I cleaned the table and washed the dishes. The sound of water was calming. Then I organized my room. I made my bed, put my clothes away, and cleaned my desk. A clean space made my mind feel clear. Focus time, work or study. Later, I sat down at my desk. I opened my laptop and started working. I answered some emails, wrote a few notes, and planned my next steps. When I felt tired, I stopped for 1 minute and took a deep breath. I reminded myself, focus, not pressure. English practice, long part. In the afternoon, I spent more time on English. I listened to a short story in English. I listened once without reading. Then I listened again and read the text slowly. I repeated the sentences one by one. Some sentences were easy, some were difficult. When I didn't understand a word, I didn't stop. I tried to guess the meaning from the context. Little by little, I felt more confident. Short break. After studying, I made a cup of tea. I sat near the window and watched people outside. Cars passed by, people walked slowly. I felt calm and present. Light activity. Later, I went outside for a short walk. I didn't walk fast, I walked slowly. I listened to the sounds around me, voices, footsteps, and the wind. This small walk helped me refresh my mind. Reflection time. When I came back home, I sat quietly for a few minutes. I thought about my afternoon. I didn't do everything perfectly, but I did my best, and that was enough. Soft motivation. End of afternoon. The afternoon taught me something. You don't need to do big things. You need to do small things with intention. Progress is quiet, but it is real. Evening. Ending the day calmly. As the afternoon ended, the evening slowly arrived. The light outside became softer, and the day started to slow down. Transition to evening. In the early evening, I washed my face again and changed my clothes. I wanted to feel fresh and comfortable. I didn't rush. There was no need to hurry. Dinner time. Around 7 p.m., I started preparing dinner. I cooked a simple meal, nothing fancy. While cooking, I listened to calm music and enjoyed the moment. The smell of food filled the room. I sat down and ate slowly. I thought about my day and felt thankful. Quiet time, low energy. After dinner, I spent some quiet time. I checked my phone for a few minutes, replied a message, then put it away. I didn't want noise, I wanted peace. Light entertainment. Later, I watched a short video or part of a movie. Not for a long time, just enough to relax. I smiled, I laughed a little. It felt good to slow down. Light English practice. In the evening, I didn't study hard. I only reviewed. I read a few simple sentences in English. I read them slowly and clearly. No pressure, just repetition. I reminded myself, consistency is more important than intensity. Writing and reflection, deep part. Before the night came, I took a notebook. I wrote a few lines. What did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? I didn't judge myself. I was honest. Writing helped me clear my thoughts. Preparing for sleep. As the night got closer, I turned off bright lights. I closed the window and made my bed ready. I washed my hands, brushed my teeth, and slowed my breathing. Final reflection, emotional close. Lying in bed, I thought about the day. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. I showed up, I tried, and that was enough. Tomorrow is a new day, a new chance to grow.
Night. Before sleep, deep reflection. The room was quiet. The lights were soft. The day was over. Slowing down. I lay down on my bed and took a deep breath, in and out. My body started to relax. I put my phone away. No messages, no noise, just silence. Thinking about the day, my mind slowly went back to the moments of the day, the morning, the afternoon,
the evening. Some moments were good, some were difficult, but all of them mattered. Letting go. I reminded myself of something important. I cannot change today, but I can learn from it. I let go of stress. I let go of pressure. Tomorrow can wait. Gratitude, very deep. Before sleeping, I thought of 3 things I was thankful for: a calm morning, a warm meal, a quiet night. Small things, but meaningful. Gratitude made my heart feel lighter. Self-compassion. I spoke to myself in a kind way. You did your best today. You don't need to be perfect. These words brought me peace. Final thoughts. As my eyes started to close, I felt calm, not excited, not worried, just present. The day was complete. Ending message, strong but soft. Every day is a story. Not every page is perfect, but every page teaches you something. Rest now. Tomorrow, you continue the story.